How to export tasks from ZStream. First thing we need to do is use the bulk selection mode icon or keyboard shortcuts to start selecting multiple tasks. And then we're going to choose the fields that we want to export. We can also ignore the fact that we've only loaded certain tasks and export all of the tasks that match the list we're viewing. And then we're going to download the file and open it as a spreadsheet. So let's get started from the Tasks tab. You can do this in any list of tasks in ZStream, but we'll start here. So the first thing we're going to do is activate the bulk selection mode, this little checkbox icon here. And now that that's activated, we can see the bottom bar here and a counter of how many tasks we've selected. We can also select all and deselect all. And in this mode, we can select individual tasks. So I'll select these 4. And then let's say you selected some tasks that you can't see on the screen because you have a long list. You can see everything you've selected here, and for example, if I don't need this task, I'll remove it from what I've selected. Now, the other way you can activate the bulk selection mode is by command clicking on the first task. So there I just held down command and clicked on the task, and now I don't need to do that for the following tasks. I can just select normally. You can also command click to select a first one, and then hold shift and select a range. So this is a quick way to select a lot of different tasks or a few different sections of tasks. So now that I've selected these tasks, I'm actually going to select the last one, and I'll come down to this little logo that looks like a file with the letters CSV. And this is the export logo because we're exporting these as CSV files. So I'll click this. And here I can choose which fields from these tasks I want to include in this export. And I can just disable some of them if I need to, but I'm going to include all of them. Now, earlier I mentioned that you can choose to ignore the tasks you've loaded and actually export all of the tasks that match some list. So in this case, I have no filters applied, and I'm looking at tasks that are assigned to me. There's also no additional tasks that I haven't loaded here, as we can see by the fact that this is the end of the list and I'm not scrolling and loading more tasks as I scroll. If that were the case, I can activate this toggle, select all tasks, and as this tooltip tells us, all of the tasks that match the list I'm viewing, the current filters I'm viewing, will be exported regardless of whether or not I've scrolled to the end and I've loaded all of them. So currently this doesn't matter. I have selected all of the tasks. I've loaded all the tasks that are assigned to me. So I'm going to uncheck this. Now I'm going to click Export Tasks. And I can see the email address to which the download link will be sent to my export. So I will head over to my inbox. And I see I already have the email ZStream export ready for download. Now I can download this right away. It says I have 6 tasks, but I've actually already downloaded it and opened it in Numbers. So here we go. Here are our tasks. They include all of the fields that we included. If you had unchecked any of those boxes, you wouldn't see those fields here. And there you go. That is how we export tasks in ZStream. Thanks for watching. And we're done.